What's wiggling, wire noticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Wire Noticing. Guys, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this bad boy right here, the Otter Pop Defender Series case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, what makes this case super duper cool, unlike the typical OtterBox Defender case, this one actually has a pop socket built right in, so then you don't have to stick one on the back or anything. It's actually built right in, and I think that's just super duper cool. So without further ado, let's get to getting this bad boy out of the box, baby. Ooh. Wire notice, wire notice, wire notice, wire notice. I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Wire notice, wire notice, wire notice, wire notice. Making them wiggle and wiggle like wire notice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So here we are, folks, up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, it's got the OtterBox logo as well as this beautiful, colorful PopSockets logo right here because it's a little bit of a collab between those two. And right here it says the name of the case, Otter Pop Defender Series. You can also see through the front of this box and actually look at the case, which is very cool. You get an idea of what you're buying right here. And it says for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Okay, and it says right here, integrated pop grip, swappable pop top, and drop protection. Now if we come over here, flip it over and come to the back, it says drop protection, pop grip flush with case. So that means basically it's going to be flat when the pop grip is in the case, and it's compatible with wireless charging, definitely important, and it protects the ports on your phone. So without further ado, let's stop just looking at the box and let's get this bad boy out of the box. So we can just slide this open. Wow, that was an easy unboxing experience if I do say so myself, just a slippery slide, and we can just pop this PopSockets case right out of the box, and here it is. Wow, look at this, and let's pull this pop socket out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. I got this pop socket built into the case. That is pretty cool. Now let's see what else is in the box before we take a closer look at the case. So we've also got this paperwork in the box. We got some information about it right here, and this is also pretty cool. It looks like you can order a free holster from the OtterBox website. You do have to pay for shipping and handling, but besides that, looks like it's free. They give you a little promo code right here in the box, so that's pretty nice. So now that we've seen what is in the box, let's take a closer look at the case. As you can see right here on the back, we got the star of the show, the built-in pop socket. We can just pull that out, use it just like that. Oh yeah, we can spank it, put it back in, and yeah, if we come over here to the bottom, we got the little flap over the lightning port. We got speaker cutouts right here. Over on the side, we got the side button. Over here on this side, we got the volume buttons, as well as a little flap that covers the mute switch right there. And yeah, if we come over here back to the back, we got this giant camera cutout, of course, for the 3 rear iPhone 11 Pro Max cameras. So yeah, that's definitely important. And yeah, now let's start getting this on my iPhone. So to do that, like a typical OtterBox Defender case, what you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to peel this outer layer off. This is, I believe, a 3-piece case. So yeah, you take this outer purple layer off, and yes, you can get this a case in different colors. For whatever reason, I just picked this flashy little color right here because I thought it would be interesting to show you guys this color instead of just a boring black one. But yes, you can just get it in black. And yeah, and then if we take these two pieces apart right here, boop, 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 and now we can put the phone in. So now once you got your 3 pieces separated, you can start getting your iPhone into this case. First thing you're going to do is take this back plate right here, and you're going to want to place your iPhone into it just like this. And then you're going to want to take this top piece right here, and you're just going to want to put that on top, and you just squeeze it nice and shut. Make sure it clicks into place around all the different sides. And then once that's on, you can do the final step, which is to put this sort of like rubber squishy outside layer on, and you can just put it on just like this. And then once you got it on nice and snug around all the sides, you've got this case on your iPhone, and you can just pop that pop socket out and just get to using it. Oh yeah, look at this guy. So now, first impressions of this case on my iPhone. Just like a typical OtterBox Defender case, this will add quite a bit of bulk to your device. So if you don't like really bulky cases, this definitely, well, at least I don't think it'll be for you. But if you do like pop sockets, if you don't mind a bulky case, or even if you prefer a bulky case, I think you're gonna like this case right here because that's what it is. And yeah, I mean, I've actually never used a pop socket before on any of my iPhones, so this is a first for me. But if you're a big pop socket fan, if you like doing all this stuff with it. I mean, you could very much like this. And I mean, yeah, folks, definitely let me know down in the comments what you think of this concept, having a pop socket built into a case. If you want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $70. And I mean, with that, guys, that'll be all for this Warenotice video. So if you enjoyed it, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. After all, guys, I do love all my subscribers. So if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Otter Pop Defender Series pop socket case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, baby. Ooh.